You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is k equals -3. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 3/2 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the k. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is k equals -3.